From Tesla to SpaceX, we are going inside the mind of Elon Musk this morning. Tesla shares are up this morning by almost 9% in the pre-market amid promising profit and a smaller cash burn. The company is still losing money, however. Tesla's loss was wider than Wall Street's expectations, while revenue came in higher than expectations. As you can see, $4 billion in revenue on a loss of $3.06 a share. Investors are also watching the company's language on the conference call, Elon Musk's language. Even the Tesla chief himself realized he had some apologizing to do.
Yeah, I'd like to apologize for being implied on the power call. Honestly, I think there's really no excuse for bad manners, and I was kind of violating my own rule in that regard. That certainly I have some excuse. There are reasons for it, and that I've gotten no sleep, and been working sort of 110-hour, 120-hour weeks. But nonetheless, there's still no excuse. My apologies for not being polite on the power call.
Yeah, and at one point he apologized specifically to analyst Tony Sacconacci. Joining us right now is Michael Nunez. He is Mashable Deputy Technology Editor. Michael, good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Your reaction to that, what we just heard from Elon Musk?
Well, I mean, aside from the mumbling, I think, one thing that Elon's been really good at has been making an event out of these earnings reports. So, there's a lot of talk on Twitter prior to these earnings reports and a lot of feuds, and so it just makes everyone want to tune in. Everyone wants to see whether he's going to be erratic, whether he's going to have answers to all of these questions that everyone's asking, and so it really just gets people to dial in on what would otherwise be a rather boring earnings call.
Was his tone listening to the call?
Well, actually, people dialed into the earnings call because they're worried about the amount of cash they had. And even people invested in the company wanted some reassurances that the company wasn't going to basically be on the brink of bankruptcy.
That's absolutely true. But, the one thing that Elon, I think, did very well yesterday was address those concerns, right? The stock is up. I think he showed that he's been able to reduce the amount of expenditure from the company. So I think, the Elon strategy seems to be make big promises, then deliver later. And he's able to generate a lot of excitement around, or a lot of interest or concern maybe around whether he's able to hit these big targets.
And how much of the cash burn is about making more money as opposed to spending less? Is it really about production and getting cars out the door and making more, or is it really about spending less?
Yeah, I think it's a great question. Elon said during the call that his top priority is to turn a profit, right? And at the end of the day, he seems like a very rational, numbers-based person. So I think inevitably, yeah, profitability is what he wants.
And
the Model 3, correct me if I'm wrong, is actually turning an operating profit now, is it not?
I believe that's true.
And
yes.
so if they can go through this 5,000 Model 3s per week during the entire third quarter, they will be cash flow positive and profitable for the whole company.
Yeah, I think the one asterisk to add to that is that they're not selling baseline Model 3s at this point, or at least they haven't for a long period of time. They were selling, they had a high margin on the Model 3s because they were selling ones with accessories and with a lot of add-on features. So the margin per unit was actually much higher than it would be in the long run.
Right.
Yeah, I think like a lot of people, I don't applaud the federal and state subsidies to electric car ventures, but it is an interesting story here where he seems to have just gained a lot of credibility. He was talking a lot, tweeting a lot. I think people were sort of maybe waiting for him to self-destruct here. He comes in with the apology. It's kind of a lot of mumbling, but the results here suggest maybe this is going to work out, right? He's hitting the production targets. He's maybe not going to have to borrow a ton of money real soon.
That's exactly right. Yeah, at the end of the day, people are only concerned about one thing, whether this company is going to make money or not. And he's proven that it's at least trending in the right direction, right? So there's still a lot of questions to be answered, I think. But ultimately, the erratic behavior isn't much of a concern as long as he delivers on the goods.
Well, I think it's a reminder, and maybe he realizes now he's the CEO of a car company. And if you're the chief of a car manufacturer, you got to sell some cars, and you have to be a salesman all day long, every day. And you can't be a jerk because you haven't slept. Hey, we never sleep. We're not jerks.
I wish I had enough sleep.
On most days.
Right, and we're never jerks. Maria Bartiromo, never, ever, ever a jerk.
I could use more sleep. Michael, good analysis. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. Michael Nunez there.